Understanding the phrase, "not quite there," in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, "not quite there." This phrase can be tricky for learners, so we'll break it down together. Stay tuned to understand its meaning and usage in different contexts. Not quite there is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation or a state that is close to a desired goal or standard, but not completely or satisfactorily achieved yet. It implies that progress has been made, but the final or expected result hasn't been fully reached. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Personal development. When talking about skills or learning, like, she's improving her piano skills, but she's not quite there yet. Project completion. In work or projects, such as, the report is almost finished, but it's not quite there. Physical journeys. Referring to travel or location, like, are we at the destination? Not quite there yet. Don't confuse it with negativity. It's more about being on the path to success, just not at the final point. It's not about complete failure. It implies that effort has been made and progress is visible. Let's see how it's used in sentences. 1. Learning a language. I can understand the language better now. But when it comes to speaking, I'm not quite there. 2. Cooking. This dish tastes good. But to be perfect, it's not quite there yet. 3. Sports training. He's been training hard for the marathon, but he's not quite there in terms of stamina. And that's our take on the phrase, "not quite there." Remember, it's a way of expressing that someone or something is on the right track but hasn't fully reached the goal. Keep practicing your English, and soon, you'll be more than just not quite there. Hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.